UMzantsi Afrika sele uvavanye abantu ababalelwa ku1 million bevavanyelwa intsholongwane yeCorona.Iphondo laseMpuma Koloni lelinye lamaphondo elinamanani aphezulu.
Today we've reached the landmark of 1 million tests that have been done in the whole country, both in public and private. That doesn't mean that's enough. It just means that when we have challenges, we must not undermine the fact that we've done a lot of that. And at this point, I do want to pay tribute to the laboratory staff, both in the public laboratories and the private laboratories. In particular, I also have to pay tribute to the nurses, the doctors, and all the professionals.
Kutyelelo lwakhe eGcuwa, Umphathiswa wezempilo uGqirha Zweli Mkhize ubongoze uluntu ukuba luziqhelanise nongasondelelani ukuzama ukulwa nokunwenwa kwentsholongwane yeCorona.
We have recommended that we must all wear masks when we leave our homes, and that such masks have to be the fabric masks, the cloth masks. And I've seen how creative people have been. They now start to make them to look very much fashionable. And somebody did this one and even decided I must put my name in case it looks like anybody else's. So you can do anything about them and put enough fashion on it, but just wear it.
Uthi nasemingcwabeni abantu mabathi qelele omnye komnye.